love me long till you get tired. Ooh, baby, you got better. You the real one, I'm inspired. Take me, take me, when that's it.
We're in the beauty supply store with it. Say hi, name. You should get a braided wig.
What? This is a good pick.
No, I'm kidding. Let me see. Yeah, she wants to get this wig.
Don't put this on YouTube. They don't need to be knowing that I be getting synthetic hair.
Who cares? It's synthetic. Anyway, my friend doesn't really wear wigs, so we're starting her off with some synthetica to get her into the lifestyle.
I want to put it on already. Let's get it.
It's 30 inches, y'all.
36.
36. It's 36 inches. Oh no, synthetic gonna come a long way. Okay. Yeah.
Corvette. Hop in a motherfucking jet like that. Hit me like that, hit me that like that. They were like, Pop, why you all like that? Why you talk like that? Why you all like that? I'm up for Eddie, I'm up.
We gotta turn this off. Y'all. So, I was gonna start my vlog, but she had to get ready, so I'm gonna record you guys. I'm gonna show y'all her getting ready for me to start my vlog.
Hey, says not to get ready with me.
Basically, what did you just put on?
It's old as Maybelline brow gel.
Okay. Is it clear? What's
brown.
the shade? Okay. So Maybelline brow gel in brown.
And I just do a couple coats.
2 coats. You let it dry in between, or
Yeah,
okay, let it dry in between.
I'll pause a little bit if you didn't pee.
Oh, okay. Boom. And then what do you do after this?
I go in with like a eyebrow pencil and just like do a couple hair like strokes, and that's pretty much it.
Okay, and then she goes in, so in case you didn't hear her, she goes in with an eyebrow pencil. What is a pencil?
And $1. Shop Miss A, they have a website. Here in
Okay.
Houston, Texas, they have a store in the mall.
And what shade?
It's, I don't know. It's like a. It's like.
So, hey guys, today, damn, I forgot my watch. What is today? Today is the 2nd. Yes, today's the 2nd. Yesterday was New Year's. Happy New Year. So today we decided we're gonna get a tattoo. Well, we've been talked about it, but we're gonna do it today. So we're not doing it the traditional way. Don't go to a shop. So anyway, we had to hit up somebody who knew somebody type. So we're thinking, okay, boom. We thought he had a shop, y'all. We pull up. It's like a shopping plaza, and I'm like, okay, that's no. 20 more feet, pull into an apartment complex.
It's not even here.
I haven't gotten a tattoo in, when did I get that tattoo? Maybe I was like 2017, 2018. When did you get your last tattoo?
I want to say a year ago.
Okay, but I was fiending. I was really fiending to get a tattoo, and I was like, okay, I haven't been to Houston in forever. We gotta go out with a bang. But y'all, here's the funny part of it. Okay, so I got a tattoo with me and my friends. I didn't ask like my sister about it or whatever.
Oh, so that's why.
And so then I showed her. She was like, She's like, well, she's like, well, you can't get any more. And I was like, what you mean? And she was like, yeah, no. Basically, if I get any more tattoos before I get a degree, she's going to take me out of her will.
Oh, before you get a degree, I thought you meant like
Forever?
yes.
No, I have to get a degree. So I have 3 semesters left. So she came to visit me in Florida. And I was like, you know, me and my best friend want to get a tattoo. She was like,
She knows me.
That's not the deal. And I was like, you can't make an exception, da da da. She was like, I guess I need to see.
I have to approve of it. Basically.
Yeah, she was like, I need to approve of it. So she needs to know what it's gonna say, what color, what size, where I'm gonna put it. And I was like, okay, all right, okay. So my thing was, if I decided to get this tattoo, she's gonna take me out of one. She's gonna remove me from one of her plans. Like, so I was gonna get taken off of one amount of paperwork, you know, if something were to happen to her. Do I really want to do that? Like, then I was like, nah, it's worth it. You only live once. Yellow. All right, so we will hit you guys up when we get inside. Hopefully he lets us record like a little bit, because I'm really trying to, I really want y'all to see what it's gonna be like, because I'm intrigued, because, you know, we're in somebody's whole establishment. But yeah, so we'll see you guys inside, hopefully. Thank God it's only them little lips.
Dedicarle tiempo ya al deporte, más. No, está bien, déjalo así.
I'm glad this is the last letter, bitch.
tattoos. But I'm so geeked. I have not had these tacos yet. I'm gonna insert a picture right here of what they look like. Whew. I'm so cold. Hey y'all, so Pat came in. I am so excited to try these tacos. The bitch is like speed walking to the car because she's cold, but yeah, let's get into it. Y'all. Hey. They choke your throat till I make you choke. Though, baby, it's my shit. Nice. Better watch your whole fly. Yeah. So we went and got margaritas and Mexican food. I'm looking like somebody's grandmother. She's in her own world. Clearly. But I'm stuffed. I had 6 fajitas. I'm stuffed.
What is this? What you on live?
No, it's for my YouTube channel.
So YouTube?
Dante, you gonna have to give a bill or something. Oh, damn. Dante said fuck you.
Nero. You ain't even got the whole one right.
Big shady shit, man. You already know this is.
Big shady
Don't play with it, man. You know what it is. I didn't know you had a YouTube.
Why would you? You don't even know me.
You got
Y'all, so tell me why. Me and my friend.
Bitch, don't.
It was this dude that we was hanging around that was mad cute. He said he was 18. So we already knew. We already knew that was young. So he was like, he cute, but he's a baby. Come to find out, y'all, you know how old this man is? 15. He walking around telling people he 18 and he act like he could be 18. And I'm like, wow. Not me being damn near 23.
Not you
Talking to a
FYI, he actually wasn't 15, he was 17, and at this point he has since turned 18. So the reason he was even around is because we were hanging out with his brother, who is shady too crazy, and he's our age. So no one was trying to do anything with him, he just so happened to be there.